Samsung Galaxy X is the Korean manufacturer's fabled, foldable handset. It has been talked about for long enough to make it seem mythical, but there is evidence that a flexible device could very well be on the horizon. Amongst reports of behind closed doors showcases of the Galaxy X is news that both Huawei and Apple have patented foldable technology. If these indications are anything to go on, it would suggest that all three of the world's phone creators are at least looking into the practicalities of bendable screens. Whether or not this will translate to actual products remains to be seen, however. Here's what we know so far. Samsung Galaxy X release. It's anticipated Samsung will begin production of the Galaxy X at some point in 2018 or 2019. Given the unprecedented phone's potentially divisive idiosyncrasies, it's rumored that Samsung will release only a relatively small number of the handsets, expected to be in the region of 100,000. This constitutes a way of testing the proverbial water, ensuring that there is ample, not to mention profitable, public demand for such an alien device. The Galaxy X failed to materialize at CES 2018, but Samsung could reveal the handset during a smaller event later in the year or around the beginning of 2019. Even if the SMG-8810 is restricted to a South Korean-only release, a high-profile event would be perfect for gauging interest in a foldable smartphone in the global market. The Galaxy Note Edge was initially a South Korean-only device, but it proved popular enough for edge-to-edge displays, being so popular they're now appearing on the iPhone X. The experimental Samsung Galaxy X smartphone was reportedly shown during a private event at CES 2018. According to the Korean Herald, the foldable device was revealed to industry leaders at a behind-closed-doors showcase, which also included a launch schedule for the handset. The paper claims two models were shown: an inward folding and outward folding phone. The latter is described as a more advanced next-generation technology, although it's the inward folding Galaxy X that is expected to be first adopted by Samsung. No images of the phones have been leaked, nor has anything been given about the release schedule for the innovative handset. Samsung's president of mobile business, Ko Dongjin, has previously said the foldable smartphone would launch under the Note brand, according to Bloomberg. Samsung's folding phone has been nicknamed Samsung Galaxy X, and in November 2017 an official support page on Samsung's site appeared to unveil its yet-to-be-announced revolutionary handset. The page, which was listed here before being taken down, used the same SMG-8810 model number that's rumored to be the Samsung Galaxy X. This isn't the first time we've seen the SMG-8810 model number, which has previously been listed in a Korean National Radio Research Agency filing. However, this is the first time Samsung has made reference to it themselves. We know from patent designs and concepts that it's a foldable phone and tablet hybrid, but it's not yet known exactly how it'll work. Samsung has already proven it can create both curved and bendable screens, but a truly foldable one hasn't been demonstrated in public. That said, in 2014, Samsung did release a truly cringe-worthy video about a flexible phone and tablet concept. Back in July 2016, Patently Mobile released several sets of images illustrating Samsung's foldable phone and tablet concepts. More recently, in November 2017, Sammobile released images it suggested could be our closest look at the Galaxy X via Dutch site Galaxy Club. The images show a hinged device, not unlike that of Microsoft's Surface Book, suggesting that it might sport a similar small cavity when folded over. Nonetheless, it's an unprecedented piece of smartphone technology. So why make it foldable? The recent big trend in smartphones has been curved edge displays. The Samsung S8 and iPhone X typify that current mode. Sprawling screens are the order of the day, so it makes sense to push display capabilities to their limits with faces that can bend and stretch. Samsung isn't alone in testing foldable screen technology. Apple has reportedly procured a patent for a foldable smartphone in November last year. Lenovo and LG have also been deemed foreigners in the unlikely quest for foldable phones. Samsung might just clinch the first major product, however. So what do we know about the Galaxy X? Keep reading to find out all the rumors, news and specs. Whilst the Galaxy X wasn't launched per se at MWC 2018, word on the street was that selected press and partners were permitted a sneaky peek of the device. All very hush-hush, of course. Nonetheless, rumors began circulating shortly thereafter, with a Super AMOLED display with flexible capabilities expected to be the Galaxy X's defining feature. Further details suggested that the Galaxy X will offer a 5 inches display that can be folded outwards, transforming the smartphone into a 7 inches miniature tablet. All this makes us reminiscent of the days of 2010 when critics snubbed Samsung's original Galaxy Note, deeming its 5.3 inches screen too big. Fast forward a few years and you see that big beautiful screens are a spec du jour. A 5.3 inches screen might even seem paltry to some, with the ill-fated Note 7 sporting a monstrous 5.7 inches display. The extendable, contractable feature on the Galaxy X might just broaden Samsung's audience appeal. From the clammy grasper favoring an easy-to-hold phone, to the wide-eyed tablet enthusiast, it's got dimensions for everyone, and they're adaptable to boot. Samsung Galaxy X, how likely is it? Rumors abounded that the Galaxy X was debuted during a top-secret demo at Mobile World Congress back in February 2017, and similar reports point to a behind-closed-doors showcase at CES 2018. Even more tantalizingly, there's an unnamed Samsung handset being passed through the Bluetooth device regulatory body. Its model number SMG888NO doesn't give masses away, but we're holding out hope that the foldable smartphone is in development. Indeed, we know Samsung has filed a trademark for the Galaxy X brand with South Korea's Intellectual Property Rights Information Service KIPRIS. South Korea being, of course, the home of the Samsung brand. This is coupled with patents and leaked designs of bendable screen technology, all of which points towards the Samsung Galaxy X becoming the company's first foldable phone.